Hello students, welcome to all in Vishap Academy online classes. Dear student, in part 5 video, we have already solved some problem of polynomials which is based on zeros of polynomial. Now dear student, in part 6 video, we will study division algorithm in polynomials, and after them we will solve some question which is based on division algorithm in polynomials. Let px and gx be two given polynomials such that degree of px is greater than or equal to degree of gx. On dividing px by gx, let qx be the quotient and rx be the remainder. Then in general we have divided equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Here we write divided as px, divisor gx, quotient qx and remainder rx. Then we write px equal to gx into qx plus rx, where rx equal to 0 or degree of rx is less than degree of gx. Now student, we will solve some question, and question is verify division algorithm for the polynomial px equal to 3x raised to the power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 and gx equal to x minus 2. Find p2. What do you observe? Given px is equal to 3x raised to the power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 and gx equal to x minus 2. Now dividing px by gx. Means x minus 2, 3x raised to the power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1. Means we divide px by gx. यहाँ पर ध्यान दें, यहाँ पर 3x raised to the power 4 है और यहाँ पर x है. अगर हम यहाँ पर लिखें 3x क्यूब का x में मल्टीप्लाई अगर हम करेंगे तो 3x raised to the power 4 आ जाएगा. तो यहाँ लिखेंगे 3x raised to the power 4 minus 2 3 जा 6 x क्यूब. डिवीजन में माइनस करते हैं, माइनस किया जाएगा प्लस प्लस में से माइनस माइनस प्लस कैंसिल आउट माइनस 4x क्यूब प्लस 6x क्यूब मीन्स 2x क्यूब माइनस 3x माइनस 1. फिर आप यहाँ ध्यान दें, फिर ये x है और यहाँ पर 2x क्यूब है. अगर हम x में 2x स्क्वायर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो ये 2x क्यूब मिलेगा. तो हम लिखेंगे प्लस 2x स्क्वायर, तो हो जाएगा ये 2x क्यूब माइनस 2 2 जा 4x स्क्वायर. अगेन subtracting, then the sign of this is a minus and this is plus and this is cancel out. Then we write 4x square minus 3x minus 1. फिर यहाँ पर 4x स्क्वायर है, यहाँ पर x है, फिर मैं लिखेंगे प्लस 4x then 4x स्क्वायर माइनस 4 2 जा 8x. Again subtracting, then sign is minus, this sign is a plus, then it is cancel out. Minus 3x plus 8x means 5x minus 1. यहाँ आप देख रहे हैं ये रिमाइंडर नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि इसकी डिग्री और इसकी डिग्री दोनों सेम है. फिर इसे हम डिवाइड करेंगे तो यहाँ पर x है और यहाँ पर 5x मीन्स यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, यहाँ लिखेंगे प्लस 5, then we write 5x. यहाँ पर आप देखिए 5 minus 2 means minus 10. फिर सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे माइनस और यहाँ लिख लेंगे प्लस. then it is cancel out. -1 plus 10 means 9. Here 9 is remainder because its degree is less than degree of divisor, therefore it is remainder. And here this term is known as quotient. This is divided and this is divisor. Now apply division algorithm. Means divided is equal to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. This implies that your dividend is 3x raised to the power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1, and divisor is x minus 2. Quotient is 3x cube plus 2x square plus 4x plus 5, and remainder is 9. Then plus 9. This equal to, so मल्टीप्लाई किया जाएगा तो हो जाएगा 3x raised to the power 4 plus 2x cube plus 4x square plus 5x minus 6x cube minus 4x square minus 8x minus 10 plus 9. This equal to 3x raised to the power 4 2x cube minus 6x cube means minus 4x cube plus 5x minus 8x means minus 3x minus 10 plus 9 means minus 1. Or 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1 equal to 3x to the power 4 minus 4x cube minus 3x minus 1. Here we see LHS and RHS both are equal. Therefore, we can say that division algorithm is verified. Now student, we have to find out P2. Now P2 is equal to 3 into 2 raised to the power 4 minus 4 into 2 raised to the power 3 minus 3 into 2 minus 1. 2 raised to the power 4 16, 3 are 48 minus 8 4 are 32 minus 6 minus 1. Then we write 48 minus 32 6 ऐड करेंगे 38 139. This is equal to 9. Hence P2 equal to 9. Here P2 is 9 and also remainder is also 9. Observation from above we see that P2 is equal to 9 and also remainder is 9. Then we can say that when Px is divided by x minus 2, then remainder is P2. This is it. Now, dear student, some question is given in Google Classroom app. Thanks.